Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bacon jalapeno poppers. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. About 12 fresh jalapenos, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 12 slices of your favorite bacon. Make sure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Having all your tools, like a good knife and a baking sheet, prepared will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the jalapenos. Take each pepper and carefully slice it in half lengthwise. This creates the perfect pocket for our creamy filling. Next, using a small spoon, meticulously scoop out all the seeds and the white membrane. This step is crucial for reducing the heat, making them enjoyable for everyone. Remember to wear gloves to protect your hands from the pepper's oils. With our jalapenos prepped, it's time for the delicious filling. In a bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with a pinch of garlic powder and a dash of onion powder for extra flavor. Take about 1 tablespoon of this creamy mixture and generously fill each jalapeno half. Finally, wrap each filled jalapeno tightly with 1 slice of bacon, ensuring it's secure for baking. Almost there, carefully arrange your bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers on a baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one. Place them in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the bacon is beautifully crisp and golden brown. Once baked, let them cool for about 5 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld and prevents any burnt tongues. Enjoy your homemade poppers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.